Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to use a countertop ice making machine. Stay with us and we'll show you how to use it. All right, here's our portable ice making machine. We're going to get this little guy going, show you how it makes ice. Kind of like this thing. First thing you want to do, lift your tray up. You're opening your door. Take your ice tray out. Your ice will be in here. Right here is a little line that says max. Be sure it's up to that. Fill your water up to there. There's max right there. Put your ice tray back in. Put that down. You've got on off right here. Power is on. Ice maker's full. Add water. If the ice maker is full, the ice in here is full, it'll say so. If it says add water, you don't have enough water in there. So take 6 to 13 minutes for this little guy to start making ice. Sit back and watch it make ice. We'll show you the little ice cubes it has. A little dusty right here. Get that out of the way. Here's the water going into the cooler. It's about to start making ice. Give it a few minutes to freeze that water. For your ice tray, it'll drop them into the tray. Little handle to carry it around with. This right here is what's going to push your ice out. I opened it up so you can see down in there what it does. So we'll let it sit there and make some ice. All right, here it goes. It's going to start dropping some ice, looks like. Dropped a little bit of ice. And it's going to push it over into the tray. Took about 6 minutes. Filling up again. Going to make more ice. Little bullet cubes. See that? You can pull your tray out. You can see the cubes there. See them? Yep. The last cubes. We'll put that back in there. It's making more now. I think that's as far as we're going to go with that. And we showed you how it made ice. So let's just turn the power off. Okay. And what we're going to do now, here at emptying the ice makers out up here, we'll unplug it. Take it over to the sink. And we will empty the water out of it. You don't want to leave it sitting with water in it if you're not going to make ice, okay? All right, we're going to empty the water out. Now, the water drain is in the front right here. A little plug right here. Just open that little plug. Pull it out right there. There goes your water. See it draining? Empty it out. It has a self-cleaning cycle. With it off, hold the on-off button on for about 5 seconds, and it'll go into a self-cleaning where it'll clean everything out. It takes about 30 minutes for that thing to run, so we're not going to do it. But it'll clean everything. You want to throw all the water and everything out after that. Now we're through. We drained all our water. Put our little plug back in here. Plug just pulls in and out right there. There it is. It's back in. We can set this little guy back up over here, and we're ready to go to make some more ice later. Here's our ice cubes. They're little bullet cubes. They look like bullets. Look at that. Little round bullet cubes. So you could use a lot of them in your drinks and stuff. So there's our ice. We showed you how it works. Go check out the playlist. And Amazon, I have a listing on below Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Go check them out. I think you'll like them. They come in pretty handy. See, it made this first batch of ice in like 6 minutes. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.